Hi guys, this is Go for Agriculture channel. Today we are going to discuss about FCI, that is Food Corporation of India. The FCI is one of the largest public sector undertakings which ensures the food security of the nation. So FCI invites online application for mentioned posts such as Assistant General Manager, then Assistant General Manager Technical, General Administration, then Assistant General Manager Accounts, then Assistant General Manager Law. In that, there is two posts: Assistant General Manager General Administration and Assistant General Manager Technical. These are the two posts that agriculture graduates can write. First post is for PG, that who are pursuing postgraduate, they are eligible for that. And second post is for bachelor degree, that is agriculture. Now we will see the vacancies. So for general assistant general manager technical, the vacancy is 14. So total vacancy is 27 for this. So now we will discuss the syllabus and qualification. So first one is assistant general manager general administration. For that, qualification needed is postgraduate degree or equivalent from a recognized university, and with minimum 55% of marks, or bachelor degree in law or 5 years integrated course in law. Now assistant general manager technical, for this BSc in agriculture from a recognized university with minimum 55% marks, or BE or BTech degree in food science from a recognized university with minimum 55% marks, or BTech or BE degree in food science and technology with 55% minimum marks with AICTE approved. Now we will discuss the syllabus. So for the what is the pattern of the online test? First, for those who are done postgraduate, for them the questions will be 180 and the duration will be 2.5 hours. So pattern is that general aptitude, that consists of reasoning, data analysis and numerical ability 45 questions, general awareness current affairs 45 questions, management and the ethics 45 questions, then agriculture and agriculture economy and computer awareness 45 questions. Next, for the technical post, same reasoning, data analysis, numerical ability 30 questions, general awareness current affairs 30 questions, management and ethics 30 questions, then agriculture economy, computer awareness 30 questions. So this exam is divided into two categories: prelims, mains, and interview is also there. For prelims, they will ask reasoning, data analysis, numerical ability, general awareness, current affairs, management and ethics, then computer awareness. This is only in pre, but in mains they will ask with general aptitude. They will ask general aptitude of 60 questions, 60 marks, but they will ask agriculture 60 question, 120 marks. That is the difference here. So first prelims will be general aptitude and current affairs, but for mains they will ask general aptitude with agriculture. So in agriculture, what are the syllabus? First is basic principle of crops production, statistics of Indian agriculture, genetics, crop protection, plant pathology, food and agriculture microbiology, nutrition, post harvest care of cereals and pulses, basic principle of preservation of food grains, agriculture extension, photosynthesis and respiration, biotechnology, microbes, beneficial and harmful, genetic engineering, biotechnological principle, economic biotechnology, pathogens and control, recent trends, then entomology, then chemistry, then acts. Now, how to prepare for this? First, for quantitative aptitude, you have to prepare either by R.S. Agarwal practice questions or fast track Arihant book. For reasoning, you can do Arihant book or AS book of reasoning. Then for current affairs, you have to study daily current affairs in GK Today or some other websites. For agriculture, you can watch videos from our channel also, or you can learn some books like Arun Katyan and Neemraj Sunda. These are the basic books for FCI exams. So this is the video. Thanks for watching. If you want more and more video, then subscribe our channel. Go for agriculture. Till then, stay tuned.